We're chilling on the beach. Everybody's digging. I'm peeing on the log. Putting in the water. What are you digging for, Ta? What's Ta he digging for? Oh, Scoots is gonna help. Ah, Tori! Hi, monkey. Hi, Coulter. Ah, Tori. Yeah, she muzzle bumped my phone. Hannah, you look cold. Oh, that's all zoomed in. There. That's better. I know, Hannah wants something, but I don't have any balls to throw. We gotta find a stick. Are you helping too, Prince? You're gonna dig a hole? Yeah, come on. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. He's like, no, I'm not gonna dig a hole. Nope, I'm not gonna do it. Woohoo! Banana! At least she entertains herself.